Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of dealing with dry and lifeless hair? Do you dream of having long and thick locks that cascade down to your knees? Well, we have got just the solution for you. Introducing our DIY hair growth serum, a magical concussion that will transform your hair into luscious masterpiece. And the best part, it's made with just three powerful ingredients that you can find right in your kitchen. So guys, first up we have coconut oil. This natural moisturizer is packed with nutrition and nourishment your hair from root to tip. Apply it generously and let it work its magic. Leave your hair soft and shiny and infinitely more manageable. Next we have aloe vera gel. Not only does this soothe your scalp, but it also promotes hair growth by stimulating your hair follicles and massage it into your hairs and scalp, and watch your hair become healthier and more voluminous. Last but certainly not least, we have castor oil, rich in vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acid and protein. This oil is known for its amazing hair growth properties, and apply it to your hairs and let it nourish your stand, giving you longer and thicker hair in no time. Combine these three powerful ingredients and you have got yourself a DIY hair growth serum that will leave you amazed. Simply mix equal part of castor oil and coconut oil and aloe vera gel together. Apply it to your hairs, focusing on the roots and ends. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse it out thoroughly. Follow this routine at least once a week and watch as your hair becomes the envy of all. So guys, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to dull and lifeless hair and hello to long and luscious locks. Try our DIY hair growth serum today and get ready to rock that Rapunzel-worthy man. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks on how to achieve your hair goals. And guys, thank you for watching my video.